All right, everyone. So today I'm going to be taking some time to organize my spice cabinet. So the first thing I want to go over is some of the things that I purchased. You don't have to get the same exact stuff, but you can make your own choices. But what I decided to do is get some things that I've used before, like these little 4-ounce mason jars from Ball. You can get them at Target. That's what I got them. We've used them, love them, and they'll protect your spices. They do really well. I also picked up 2 of these sets of the OXO containers, different sizes. They work fantastic. They have that plunger seal that allows you to seal this up once you put something in. And these I actually ordered from the Container Store. And the last thing, once I organize, are going to be these steps, these plastic steps. Got these from the Container Store as well. What I love about this is once you put it in the cabinet, you can fit to the size of your cabinet. So you can push it in, push it out, and then once you place all these spices on every step, you'll have a much better look of what's available and what's in your cabinet. And I'll be showing you in a little bit why you need this stuff, because I can't even see what's in my cabinet. And then simple Sharpie white marker, any color that you like. It's paint based and it'll allow you to write down exactly what's inside each one of your jars. All right, we'll get started. So like most people's cabinets, it's kind of a mess. As you can see, I got bags and jars of all kinds of sizes, and I got to dig through everything to figure out what's going on. So as soon as I pull everything out, I'll go through and clean everything, and then I'm going to see if I have doubles, because I'm pretty sure I have doubles of a few things, and then put them in those new jars, label them, and then throw everything back in. I have one extra shelf that I might throw in if I need it, but we'll check and see. All right, we'll get started. So several hours later, this is what we have. It took a little time, but it was well worth it. I actually ended up changing something a little bit on each of the small jars. I wrote it both in cursive with that white oil-based Sharpie, as well as used a label. Because what I found, some of the lighter colored spices, it's hard to see the actual white writing. So like this one, the xanthan gum, it's really hard to see the writing. So I decided to put a label as well as a writing on each one of the jars. Looks really well organized. It's going to be easy to see. And I'm going to go ahead and place them inside the spice cabinet in a second. Ta-da! The finished product. So it takes time. It's going to be a lot of effort, but it's well worth it. Once you spread everything out, it's so easy to see. You got everything labeled. I can figure out what I need. Just offset them so they're easy to see. That's the overflow. So, and that's the reason why I got those extra XO containers, because some of the stuff that I was putting in, there was a whole lot extra. So that keeps my overflow there. And then it's going to make everything a lot easier. So when I'm baking, when I'm cooking, it's going to take a whole lot less time, whole lot cleaner, and plus I'm just a neat freak and I got a little bit of time. So hopefully you'll do as well as on your project. Thank you.